Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve the sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, exercise 5.1, question 4, sub questions 7 to 11. Question 4 says, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. This seventh sub question 7, they are given us a list of numbers 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. We have to check whether the given list of numbers form an AP. For checking whether they form an AP, we have to find the difference between the terms. If there is a common difference, they form an AP. If not, they don't form an AP. So now we will find the difference between the terms. So A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 0, I get minus 4. A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8. Minus of minus 4. So what I get? Minus 8. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 4. I get minus 4. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12. Minus 12 minus of minus 8. Minus 12 plus 8. Again I am getting minus 4. So there is a common difference between the terms, between the numbers. So these numbers form an AP. The given numbers form an AP. The common difference between them that is D equal to minus 4. Now we have to write 3 more terms of this AP. We have to find A5. So A5, to get A5, we have to add D to A4. So what is A4? A4 is minus 12. So minus 12 plus minus 4. What we get? Minus 12 minus 4. So it is minus 16. The fifth term is minus 16. Then A6. To get A6, add D to A5. So minus 16 plus minus 4. We get minus 16 minus 4. That is minus 20. The sixth term is minus 20. No, seventh term. A7. So minus 20 plus minus 4 equal to minus 20 minus 4. So minus 24. Minus 24. So the required terms are minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Sub question 8. They are given a list minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Now we'll first find the difference and see. So A2 minus A1 minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. We get minus 1 by 2, minus into minus is plus. So plus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will get cancelled and get 0. So now A3 minus A2 minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Here also we get the same answer. That's equal to 0. A4 minus A3. A4 is also minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 by 2. Here also will get 0. So there is a common difference between the numbers. So the given numbers form an AP. The given numbers form an AP. The common difference between them, the common difference between them, that is D is equal to 0. Now we have to find 3 more terms. We have to find A5. So A5 is equal to get A5, add common difference to A4. So minus 1 by 2 plus 0. We get minus 1 by 2. Then A6 minus 1 by 2 plus 0. Again minus 1 by 2. A7 is also minus 1 by 2 plus 0, that's equal to minus 1 by 2. The required numbers are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Next sum, the numbers given are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Now we will check the difference. A2 minus A1, 3 minus 1, we get 2. A3 minus A2, 9 minus 3, that is 6. So there is no common difference. Therefore, the given numbers do not form an AP as there is no common difference. There is no common difference. Difference between them. The next sum, 10th one, 10th sub question of question 4. So the given numbers are A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So now we'll try to see what is the difference between them. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. That is 2A minus A. We get 2A minus A is A. A3 minus A2. 3A minus 2A. Again we get A. A4 minus A3. That is 4A minus 3A. We get A. So there is a common difference. The given numbers form an AP. The common difference between them that is D is equal to A. Now we have to form three more terms, that is A5. A5 is equal to A4 is 4A. So 4A, D is A. 4A plus 4A is 4A plus A is 5A. A6 is equal to 5A plus A. 6A. A7 is equal to 6A plus A. That is 7A. So the required numbers are 5A, 6A and 7A. The question, 11th question, the given terms are A square, A cube and A to the power of 4. Now we will try to see the difference between them. So A2 minus A1 is equal to A square minus A. Now how to solve this one? Among these two terms, A is a common factor. So I'll take A outside. So A into A minus 1. We get A into A minus 1. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 is A to the A cube minus A square. So now among these two terms, A square is common. I'll take A square outside. A square into A minus 1. See, A square into A cube. A square into minus 1 minus A square. So now there is no common difference. Okay. the given numbers, the given terms do not form an AP, do not form an AP as there is no common difference, as there is no common difference between them. Common difference between them. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.